It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
Old-fashioned, world famous fruitcake. Fruitcake. I did it. Let's eat this fruitcake. Let's eat this fruitcake. Let's put this out.
Ooh, take a look at that.
Whoa. That looks like pumpkin. Cut it up. Cut it up.
That looks good.
All right, when you think about Christmas, do you think about fruitcake?
No. No.
I never even heard of it.
Me neither.
So this is basically a New Food Friday.
Because it is one.
All right, let's slice it up and give it a try.
We could have a slice.
Wait.
Oh.
Then she'll give you one.
It doesn't slice so well. It's pretty crumbly.
Yeah.
I think that's a cake.
It is.
My fingers.
Five.
That's a cake. On my fingers, that's a cake.
All right, try a piece.
Looks like it's got almonds in it.
Yuck.
Yeah. Dad, I love it, I think.
Yeah.
This is good.
I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Mom, I don't like it.
You don't like it?
I don't like
Mixture of nuts and some weird type of fruit.
What do I not mind? No, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it.
It tastes kind of weird, but it's pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty good. The nuts kind of overpower the fruit taste.
Yeah, they make it yucky for me.
Yeah, I say without the nuts, it's much better.
But the nuts are not good. Mom, I don't like it.
What does it taste like?
Tastes like some sort of fruit nut mix.
Mama,
Like some not dried like
Mama.
bananas and all that stuff mixed into some sort of trail mix with nuts and
Which one
raisins.
is mine?
It tastes kind of like some berries mixed up with some sort of drink, like juice.
Mom, I see a hummingbird.
Yeah.
It's gone.
So thumbs up or thumbs down?
Down.
I would say in the middle.
I'll do it down. They're yucky. Yeah. I'll do it down. Mom, I don't like them. They're yucky. I'll do down.
Okay.
I like them.
I don't like them.
Now it's my turn to give it a try. The raisins give it a really good sweet taste. And then the nuts give it a really good crunch. It's very interesting. And I would say it's a double thumbs up. The almonds in it give it a better texture. And you can also taste them with the raisins, which makes it really good. So I give it a double thumbs up.
What else is in there besides almonds and raisins?
Looks like there's some sort of fruit right there. It looks more like a jello, like a gummy. And then looks like raisins and other fruit. I don't know. I'd say I don't know what's in it, yet it's really good. And I would totally get this again because it's a perfect snack and it's really good.
No.
Do you want some more fruitcake?
No.
I do. Yeah.
I don't like
Dad, have you tried it?
Mama.
Not yet.
It's really good.
Is it?
Mama.
What do you think? Do you want to try some fruitcake?
I'm already married to one.
Just like some. Mama. Mama.
You want some, Em?
No. No, I don't like it.
It's fruity. I wouldn't call it good. I wouldn't call it horrible.
Would you buy it again?
No. At least not this kind.
Have you had fruitcake before?
It's been a while.
And do you remember it tasting better than this?
Yeah.
Mom,
Maybe it was
now
supposed to
you
be
can
refrigerated.
try.
It does say it's best when served chilled, and we did not chill it. The ingredients are raisins, orange peel, flour, pineapple, cherries, almonds, pecans, walnuts, a bunch of sugar. So that's basically it.